Oh, hey. Yep, I'm back. And you found me. I kid. I am back for good though. Finally back after 2 years being stationed on a tropical island. It sounds really cool, but it's not. At least not for me. But I am back for good now, back to everything. Back to my family, my garage, my tools, my projects, and really you guys, because I didn't really do anything with this channel while I was gone. Made a couple videos for the possibility of doing more, but no, it didn't work out. It was not a good place for me, and I couldn't put myself into making videos over there for many reasons. But it's all done now. I'm back, and we're gonna get to work on some stuff. First, I need to get my garage in order. I'm not getting anything done until this is done. I'm gonna kind of not refurbish, but redesign my garage a little bit, my setup, so it makes more sense and is easier for workflow. So I probably won't be filming much of that because most of it is just cleaning up stuff, and I got to get rid of some junk and clear out space. That's really what I need to generate, is more space to work. So anyway, here I am back at it again, and thanks for all the new subscribers. Somehow channel has still managed to grow very slowly, but grow over the past 2 years when I haven't really done anything with it. So that's cool, but see you later. I will come back. Not like Dad going